Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable cleaning along the floor direction on your DREAME X30 Ultra. First, let's make sure our floor is correctly selected to the correct direction in the map. Click on Map Edit button, then select Ground Environment. Now, select a room that you would like to modify and tap Floor Material. Now you can set it to tiles, which doesn't matter for the robot then. Like the floor direction doesn't matter for the robot because tiles are typically square. You can also set it to floor horizontal or floor vertical. That will mean, as you can see on the drawing, the seams are drawn vertically or horizontally, and your robot, if you go to three dots in top right corner, then floor cleaning settings, and enable cleaning along the floor direction, it will go along those seams to minimize scraping against the floor. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.